Hi, welcome to the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie, this is all about being vegan and low FODMAP, and today I want to talk to you about B12 supplements. As I really don't need to tell you, taking a B12 supplement is really important on a plant-based diet because you're not eating the secretions and flesh of animals which have been fed B12 supplement. So much more efficient, yay! But when you're doing the elimination phase of a low FODMAP diet, you might run into some difficulties because a lot of them contain polyols. I didn't realise for ages. I've been taking this B complex and the ingredients go purified water, sweetener, brackets, sorbitol. So the second ingredient, the second highest amount in there after water is sorbitol, so straight up polyol, and I've been going every day. Luckily I don't really have any issues with sorbitol, but if I did, I could have been making myself sick basically every single day I took this. And when I went to Tesco's to get like a quick B12 supplement, they all had mannitol in, like they weren't even sweetened for taste. I don't really understand why. So I wanted to first bring that to your attention so you know, and then I asked on Instagram if people could recommend brands which were low FODMAP and vegan to kind of give you a starting point for finding a better option. I'm focusing on the UK and the US just because that's where most of you guys are from and people on Instagram, but if you are from anywhere else in the world and you found a low FODMAP supplement, please comment down below with a link so other people can find it, and I'll also add it to the written up blog post which matches this, and then we have a kind of global reference of B12 supplements that are good for our tummies. So the actual vegan tablet supplement, multivitamin and mineral tablet from Holland Barrett looks low FODMAP, and the Veganicity one on Amazon, if you can't get to one of those stores, also low FODMAP, very simple ingredients in there. Some US ones, these gummies looked really good actually, and they look low FODMAP, and I wish you could get them in the UK because that would be so easy to take. Several people recommended to me the Rainbow Light vitamins in the US, so that's a good one. Another lady recommended the Thorn B complex, and she said that she'd really noticed the difference since she started taking them, so that's a very good review. Another lady from Canada actually found she couldn't tolerate any of the supplements and ended up doing self-injections of B12 periodically, so if you do find none of them work for you, speak to your doctor or dietitian about that as an option, just so it's, so you know it's out there. Of course, another way is to drink fortified dairy substitutes. The portions are limited normally to like 1 cup at a go, so it might be quite hard financially actually and physically to consume a whole day's worth of B12, just that, but it could help boost your intake that way. You might as well go for the fortified ones basically if you're going to drink some. So again, if you found a brand that's low FODMAP and you're not in the US or the UK, please comment down below so we can build up this resource for everyone. And I hope this just brought it to your attention in case you'd accidentally been spiking yourself with polyols and kind of ruining all your efforts to be low FODMAP otherwise. I make a video every Sunday about this general topic, so please subscribe if you want more and like if you found it useful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!